Of course, Tahoe is pristine, but decades ago it was much clearer than it is today.
We know that that's something the lake can do and something that we might be able to strive to achieve.
That's why Keep Tahoe Blue and so many others are working to improve lake clarity. So far, it's not getting more clear, but the efforts have stopped the declines we saw through the 1990s.
We can say it's not getting noticeably worse, but it's also not getting better. And so the big question for us now is why?
Stephanie Hampton is executive director of UC Davis's Tahoe Environmental Research Center. They're behind the annual Clarity Report. Last year, average clarity was 62.3 feet. That's the depth at which researchers lose sight of a 10-inch white disk being lowered into the water. One question experts want to understand better is which particles affect clarity most.
We feel it's time to look at those particles again and see, are they still mostly sediment or are they more algae now? So sediment eventually will sink to the bottom of the lake, but algae, they're living organisms, and so they'll make more algae.
While they handle the science, Keep Tahoe Blue asks the rest of us to do our part.
And the simplest thing is not to make it worse. Don't introduce more pollution. Don't cause more damage like microplastics or litter. Anything that touches the water, please have a clean drain and dry before you get here, because introducing a new aquatic invasive species could be one of the most damaging things.
At Lake Tahoe, Ben Marjot reporting.